Gaelic has now become illegal. The 6 remaining Gaelic speakers are Ross Smith, Cara Grant, Ralph Kennedy, Lucy Kerr, Finlay Murray and Hannah Thompson. For every Gaelic speaker handed in, there will be a bounty of £4,000, dead or alive.
Hello, Lucy, catch a velu. A velu carshular?
Ha, hashin carshular. Hashin a dolian collie pockinish.
Hameshan shawanish. Ach, koshin.
Ha, Finlay, Hannah, August, Ralph and Shaw Kudger. Akinil, Fisakin, Catchville, Ross.
Ha, Ross and Shaw Limson.
Sconyo, hashin Jake Manichin or Fowler.
Karsh. Holding sheets for party. Karsh for cheap value.
Mr. Clinton could Abelusa?
Ha, Hannah Cable to shin.
She is.
Hi.
I crashed to give out Gaelic formation on this.
Gosh.
Catch for Lucy.
Shit. Must have done look, Lucy. 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 Had to lock me, Lucy. I knew a shit in the cow. Can you lock me and phone it?
Jane Ishin. Pay me to get Lorik.
Favour machine.
Chicken. And B should have scarred.
Kavi, Haitian or cow.
H mission goes Ralph to the shin. I guess sure I can go to the show. Give out shit.
Can you ask him?
Trot.
The last few remaining Gaelic speakers are dead. Gaelic is dead.